Is your Land Cruiser alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty hood or liftgate switches and key fob issues. These components can cause false triggers, leading to unnecessary alarm activations. Start by inspecting the hood and liftgate switches for corrosion, dirt, or damage. Clean them thoroughly or replace them if needed using part numbers like 84140-60010 for hood switches. Next, check your key fob's battery. A weak battery can prevent the fob from disarming the system properly. Replace the battery or reprogram the fob following your owner's manual or Toyota's TechStream software instructions. If switch and fob checks don't solve the problem, consider adjusting the alarm sensitivity. Overly sensitive tilt or shock sensors can mistake vibrations for intrusion. Use a scan tool to calibrate the sensitivity levels. Some models allow manual adjustment via a hidden button sequence. If problems persist, there may be wiring harness faults, especially in the liftgate area. For persistent issues, consider getting a diagnostic check by a trusted mechanic to avoid damaging electrical components or voiding warranties.